COMPAMED. Today we are here at the Acuvi booth where we present you how the Acuvi group can support you with extreme precision motion solutions on both component, sub-assembly and plug-and-play end-user devices level.
Yesterday we had a really great event where we welcomed the press to show people the introduction of the first joint project with Piezo and our Sensapex brand products, where we introduced for the first time this vacuum and pressure pump into our complete solution. So now the system is really fully integrated, you get full control about this product, and we had a really good event showing people what we can do with this complete solution yesterday. Today we will be here again to show this product, but also what we can do with our PiezoMotor solutions or with our TPA mechanical integration.
So COMPAMED was really successful so far. We had a lot of interest in various demonstrators that we have. A lot of people are interested in our technology and they are really amazed by the precision of our motors and the easy handling of the plug-and-play systems. So we are really happy to meet all the community here and to showcase them and demonstrate them what we can do for this industry.
Really good to see how people react when they see what our solutions can do. But when we look at the PiezoMotor offering, for example, people are amazed by this nanometer resolution step we can get and how easy it is actually to implement compared to whatever people know. But the main thing is that we notice people are not aware of this technology, and this is what really is nice to see when they come over. It's just like they are discovering something. The other thing is also with the other equipment, the ease of use and the feeling you get when you play with the micro manipulator, for example. Everybody's astonished and surprised by the feeling you get when you roll these knobs. You know, just like the system responds so quickly and so nicely to whatever you do. It's an amazing feeling to see people smile when they start to play with it. You know, just like anybody could become a brain surgeon, like somebody told them, and a bit of knowledge, I guess, to do that. But with our devices, it makes things much easier.
I would say the best one so far was a guy who saw our motors and said, "You made my day," because he never saw something like this and he was truly amazed by the capabilities of the Legs motor family.
So thank you everybody for coming to this COMPAMED 2023. Day 4 is closing now. Everything has been really nice. Thanks again for all the nice project exchange and all the discussion. And we really look forward to see you on the next event, or send us a message, an email or anything if you like to talk. See you soon.